Hello, I'm Design Guy. Stick around to see how you can create eye-catching letter posters in Canva. Click Create and select Custom Size. Enter 200 by 200 pixels, then Confirm. Now add a new element by choosing text or letter from the options. Select your desired letter to place it on the canvas for further editing. Add a new frame by clicking on the Frame tool. Next, look for elements you want to include by browsing the Elements panel. For example, you can search for icons, shapes, or illustrations to enhance your design and make it more engaging. Select this image, then right-click on the layer in the Layers panel. Choose Send to Back from the Context menu. This will move the selected image layer behind all other layers in your project. Resize the photo so it fits within the screen area. Once it's properly adjusted, create a duplicate of the photo by using the duplicate function or keyboard shortcut. This allows you to work with multiple copies for further editing or customization. Next, drag and drop the image onto the letter layer to position it correctly. Once it's placed, click Done to confirm. Now, let's remove the background from the image. Select the image layer by clicking on it. Then, choose the Remove Background tool from the toolbar or menu. The tool will process the image and automatically eliminate the background, leaving only the subject visible on your letter design. Review the results and make any necessary adjustments to perfect the final look. Slide the control from left to right using your finger. This action will smoothly move the slider along its path and adjust the setting. Make sure to complete the motion for the change to apply. Duplicate the current slide. First, move the duplicate to the left position. Next, slide it up and over to the right. This will create a smooth transition effect, making your presentation more dynamic. Carefully adjust the slide's placement to ensure it aligns correctly with the other elements. Repeat these actions for any additional slides that need this animation. Duplicate the object again by pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard. This will create another copy. Next, we'll resize the duplicated object to make it full size. Select the new duplicate, then adjust its dimensions so it matches the original, filling the entire space as needed for your project. Slide the component upward until it reaches the desired position. Once it's in place, lock the gate securely to prevent any movement. After the gate is locked, ensure everything is stable. Finally, extend the component fully to complete the setup and confirm it functions as expected in its locked position. Next, click and hold the element, then drag it downward until it reaches the desired position before releasing the mouse. Next, select the RAM module by clicking and holding the left mouse button, then drag it carefully to the motherboard slot outlined in the interface. Align the notches on the RAM with the slot. Once positioned correctly, release the mouse button to insert the RAM. Make sure it snaps into place as shown in the highlighted area. Click Edit to modify the selected letter. To add strokes, choose the Add option. This allows you to customize the letter's appearance by adjusting its outline or adding new lines. Make your changes, then preview how the updated letter looks. Once satisfied, save your edits to finalize the letter with your custom strokes. You can delete this section if it's no longer needed. Simply select the content you want to remove and press the Delete key. Additionally, you'll have the option to add new material by clicking the Add button in the toolbar. To adjust the background from this view, start by selecting the Background option in the side panel. You'll see a range of preset backgrounds and customization tools. Browse the available presets and click to preview them instantly on your workspace. If you want a personalized look, use the color picker or upload your own image by clicking the Upload button. Adjust the opacity and scale sliders to fine-tune the appearance. Once satisfied, click Apply to save your changes. You can always reset to the default background using the Reset button if needed. These options let you quickly tailor your workspace background for better focus and visual appeal, all from this centralized control area. From here, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click the Projects tab to open your list of projects. Select the project you want to work with. Now, on the project page, look for the options at the top. Choose the Details tab to view and edit project information. Click the Share button in the upper right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file type from the options available. You can download your project as a PNG image, or you can select the video format for a video file. If you need a printable version, select Print, then click Download. Your file will be prepared and will begin downloading automatically to your computer. You just learned how to design a stylish letter poster in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.